weekend. All adult party, so all adult food and beverage ideas. Let's get started. First thing we're going to talk about that is a great addition to your Halloween party, to your Thanksgiving, even to Christmas. That is a pumpkin hummus. Yes, I said pumpkin hummus. Mixing those two great flavors together. All you need is some pumpkin and then hummus ingredients like chickpeas, tahini, a little garlic, a little red pepper because we like ours spicy, some olive oil, and then something to dip in it. And I just got some toasted pita. Of course, I love the soft, warm, fresh pita bread cut too. That makes delicious hummus dippers. Of course, don't forget your fruit. Your not fruits. Don't forget your veggies. Okay, to make this, I will have the recipe down below. It is simple, just like any other hummus recipe. When you when you get your chickpeas all pulsed, then you throw in your pumpkin, your tahini until that's all mixed in, a little garlic and your red pepper, and then drizzle in your olive oil. Delicious. You could serve it with, like I said, fresh pita or the crispy pita. The second thing for our last minute Halloween party food ideas is a trail mix. And our base, of course, is a popcorn. To that popcorn, we're going to add some really good flavors. For a little kick, we're going to add pretzel bites, and they're jalapeno flavored. Then we're going to add in some sunflower kernels. And we're going to add in some dark chocolate for a little sweet. For a little more salty, because it is going to tend to be more that way, we're going to throw in some Planters peanuts and some Cheez-Its. If you want a little fruit in that as well, you have an option. You have an option to throw in some dried apricots or some dried cranberries. I would go with cranberries, but apricots are delicious as well. Mix it, toss it all together once you get your popcorn cooked, and it will be delicious. And lastly, you could also make individual charcuterie boards. I don't know if I said that right, but you know, cheese boards with the meat and cheese and all of that. Great idea for you there. You can get the boards that you roast your fish on the grills. You can get a board like that. Amazon has some, 2 in a pack for $3. So if you're having a bunch of people, you know, you could get a bunch of those. You could also use some fun little small canvases, coat them in food safe paint, write happy Halloween, and put your charcuterie board on that. You could also use something like this found in the craft section. Just wash it real good, dry it, put it in your oven for a little while. And it's great if part of your party is going to be indoors and outdoors, or if they're holding it, because the little clip will hold your napkin in place. You can place your cheeses, your fruits, and your meats. And it's a great little individual thing, especially for parties. That way everybody's not digging off the same board. They can just pick one up and go. It makes for a lot easier cleanup as well. Now, how do you make this simple? Because you're like, oh my God, making that mini is going to be crazy. I have you covered. Hold on. Okay, last minute's all about being super easy. You can get these meat, cheese, and chocolate covered almond snacks or dried fruit snacks in your cheese section in your store, wherever you shop, doesn't matter. It comes with sliced cheese, it comes with salami, this one, and chocolate covered almonds, like I said. Put those on your board. Those are going to fill up a good part of it right there. Then you come back and you can add a cubed cheese that you buy already cubed, or one that you've cubed yourself. You can add some of our dried fruit from our adult trail mix mixture we made. So that will take up some. And of course, you can always add some fresh grapes as well. And there you have a very simple, very cost-effective, and easy to put together individual charcuterie board. Now, here's the thing. You might notice my colors. I'm picking foods because it is Halloween that the colors all go. So it will be fun, festive, and to die for. We've got your last minute food ideas together. I've got 3 awesome drinks for you last minute as well. Our first excellent drink for you is our toxic tonic. It's very simple. It's some softened sherbet, lime flavored, some lime juice, some condensed sweet milk, and some Pinot Gris, white wine. Okay, that's it. Dump that all together, gently stir, and serve it in a beaker or in a test tube, whatever you want, or in a beautiful glass that has some dry ice powder in it. It's gorgeous and a lot of fun. Next, for our Halloween party, we have our vampire blood punch. This goes in the crock pot. You're going to put 64 ounces of Hawaiian punch, some ginger ale in there, and some red hot candies. You let that simmer till the red hot candies start to melt, and then before you serve it or before you spoon it into a glass, make sure you strain it. We don't want anybody choking on those candies. But it's delicious, and it has that cinnamon kick to it at the end. Don't put the alcohol in the crock pot because it will just cook off. Wait till you pull it out, then add in a however much you want of whatever you want. Our last adult beverage we're adding to this very cool Halloween party is our spicy margaritas. Very, very simple. You already have the lime juice from your toxic tonic. We're going to take some of that lime, ring our cup, dip it in some salt. In the meantime, we're going to take some tequila and some jalapeno peppers. Then we're going to take some tequila, some lime juice, some orange juice, some jalapeno peppers with maybe just a tad of the juice, and some agave nectar. Mix it all together, garnish with a lime slice and a jalapeno. It's delicious. So guys, stick around till the very end of the video and you will get a sneak peek at that trail mix and that charcuterie board using our little canvas as our base. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite Halloween treat that you get every year without fail? Take care, have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.